Hi everyone, it's Chris. Just a quick catch up from yesterday where I spoke briefly about being kind to yourself, not pushing yourself too hard, not pushing through if you're ill or you're injured or whatever. Um, I wasn't in a good way yesterday, as I'm sure a few of you noted. Very bad back pain. I found out what it was. Somehow I've managed to dislocate the lower three ribs on my right hand side in my back. And considering that most of your major back muscles kind of refer into those somewhere, that's why I was in so much agony and I couldn't really move. So that's fine. It's all been fixed now. I can breathe. I can stand again. There's no real pain. Give it 48 hours and I'll be able to go and exercise again, which is great because I get a bit itchy if I'm not exercising every day. And that was done by the best osteo I've ever been to. I've been to a lot of osteos in my time, and he is superb. But people fly in from other countries for him. His name's Ali. You can have a look. I'll link him up there. If you're around London, or kind of Windsor kind of area, Surrey, whatever, worth going to see him. Best osteo I've ever been to. Anyway, so the other thing I kind of wanted to mention was it's not just about fixing yourself when you're not well and being kind to yourself then as well. Part of self-care, mental and physical, also comes from maintenance, from making sure you look after yourself on an ongoing basis, not only when it's critical. So not when you have a burnout or a breakdown, oh then I need to take some time because it's all got too much. Actually try to do that before. Look after yourself. Think of it in terms of a car. So in the UK we have an MOT, or you have a yearly check or whatever it is wherever you are, which tells you whether your car is safe, roadworthy, operating, at optimal levels. And we do that every year with our car, but we don't do it with ourselves. When was the last time you went and just got a checkup mentally or physically just to make sure you were running on, firing on all cylinders, running correctly? We don't do that at all. We are far too focused on business. So remember to make that part of your routine as well. I'm all good. I've now got to go and catch up with all the stuff that I couldn't do yesterday. But take it easy and I will talk to you all soon.